Babe, I've been trying to subscribe and my app is not working. Can you help me 1,000 at a time?
Okay. Saints. Clap for Jesus. Clap for Jesus.
What be this?
Babe, what's the meaning of this you post on your status? Yeah? Babe.
I've been the one taking care of my man financially. Ladies out there, if he is the runner now, I mean, I feed him, I clothe him, I pay the rent.
Hello, my son. So a woman is feeding you in Lagos. Abomination. No. Not tell me anything. Mama, get you.
I do everything, literally everything. Come on, check me out.
That's how I've been the one supporting him financially.
Babe, what's the meaning of this? Yeah? Because I collected 1,000 naira from you. That's why you are casting my name all over the internet. Why?
Please, can you tell me what you want? Can you tell me, because I don't understand it.
Sorry. Sorry, yeah?
It's not your fault. It's
Sorry.
the fault of
Don't
love. Original love.
I saw you.